Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have the 2020 Toyota Corolla. And this particular one is going to be the LE trim levels, but you don't compromise any in terms of features, and we'll go ahead and check those out. So this is going to be the 2020 RAV4 LE in Barcelona red with the macadamia cloth interior. As far as options go, we do have the clear protection hood and door package, carpet mats and phone charger for a total of $21,911. Gas mileage is 30 city, 38 highway, 33 combined. Coming down here to our wheels, we're riding on Dunlop tires. These are going to be your 16-inch steel wheels with plastic hubcaps. Of course, alloys are available. Coming around back, single outlet exhaust down there to the bottom right. LE badging as well. You have your switchblade key on this model, so just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. Coming in, this one does have 7 miles on it, so just go ahead and open up your key, twist to start. So we'll check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we do have a different powertrain on the LE trim level. This is going to be a 1.8 liter dual overhead cam i4. It's going to be making 139 horsepower, 126 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through a CVT continuously variable transmission. Now on your SE trim level, you do have the 2 liter, and then also there is the hybrid powertrain available in the Corolla. So let's go ahead and check out that interior. Now over here in your side mirror, they are going to be body color with your power mirrors. But coming in, we do have that macadamia cloth interior. Nice quilted pattern up there on the top portion. It's going to be a 6-way manual driver's seat. And then coming over here to your door panel, you do have nice padded armrest, power windows, locks and mirrors, door storage down below there. Then over here to the left of your steering wheel, you do have your panel dim and auto high beam controls. Coming to that steering wheel, speaking of which, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. 4-way D-pad over here on the left for that gauge display right over there. You also do have your volume and voice commands as well as Bluetooth. Over on the right, you do have your dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with lane keep, as well as your mode and seat controls for the audio. Over on the left, automatic headlights, as well as your tap to 3 blinks blinkers. Over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers. Now checking out your head unit, this is going to be an 8-inch display. Going to your audio system, checking out your sources, going to be AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your menu, that's going to be where your Apple CarPlay projection is going to be held, so just go ahead and plug in your device to the USB port and that will be available. Map, of course you can get navigation if that's important to you. Below that, you do have your single zone automatic climate control, so just adjust your temperature accordingly, press automatic and leave it. Or you can manually control your temperature, fan speed, and your zones right here. Below that, a little bit of storage as well as your USB and auxiliary audio inputs over there on the dash. And here's going to be that CVT, continuously variable transmission. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera right there. You do have your brake hold as well as your power parking brake. Cup holders, sliding and adjusting armrest with a USB and a 12-volt in there. Glove box, owner's manuals in there. Manually dimming rearview mirror. Up top, you do have your map lights, SOS Safety Connect, mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a little extension. And that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Now coming back here, of course that macadamia cloth does carry through. It does look very nice. Even the quilting does as well. Now stepping in, dual pane materials follow through as well with your padded armrest, power window, and door storage. Now with the front seat set in my 5'9" driving frame, still plenty of room back here. Footroom down below is adequate with storage. You do have a map pocket. Then over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders. Up top, little damped cornering handle with coat hook, interior illumination. View of the dash right there. I do like the contrast with the lighter and the darker portions. So let's check out the cargo area and then we can wrap up our video. And coming around back, open up your trunk via the release inside or the button on your key. As you can see, that rear backup camera right there. Nice lined trunk lid with the emergency release right up top. And then you do have these 60/40 folding split seats to expand cargo room even more. Even on your LE model, you do have a nice temporary spare tire and jack. No fix-a-flat kit or anything like that. So you're always set there in case you get caught in a pickle. But that about wraps it up for the 2020 Corolla LE. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments about the Corolla, feel free to leave them down below. And if you're interested in a vehicle like this or any other ones out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All their information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.